Welcome to the Green Stock News Brief for Tuesday, May 20th. Here are today's top headlines. Casella Waste Systems has completed a major renovation of its Connecticut materials recovery facility, equipping it with advanced technology to enhance recycling efficiency and support sustainability goals. The upgraded facility is expected to double its annual processing capacity from 60,000 to 120,000 tons, while improving sorting quality and operational infrastructure. D-Wave Quantum has launched the Advantage 2, its most advanced and energy-efficient quantum computer, designed to solve complex problems in optimization, material simulation, and AI. The system is now commercially available through D-Wave's Leap Cloud platform in over 40 countries, or for on-premises deployment by enterprises and supercomputing centers. Anduril Industries UK will lead a consortium, including Archer Aviation and Skyport's drone services, to develop and bid for future UK flight programs using Archer's Midnight eVTOL aircraft for civil and defense applications. The team will integrate mission autonomy systems, support operations, and enhance UK aviation capabilities, driving innovation, investment, and job creation in the sector. Fluence Energy has begun production at a new facility in Arizona, manufacturing enclosures and battery management hardware for its grid-scale energy storage systems. This facility is part of Fluence's broader strategy to onshore production across key components, representing $700 million in investments and over 1,000 manufacturing jobs in 2025 to enhance U.S. energy security and reduce supply chain risks.
Thanks for watching Greenstock News. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see daily Greenstock News videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment.